Hello. Uh, I'm tired. You know what? I don't know. I'm just fucking. I don't know. You know the Native Americans, right? They they believe the trees can talk. They believe the water, everything else can talk. The animals can talk. You know. That's what the Native Americans believe in. You know. They believe that everything has a spirit. You know. The ground, the water, Earth, or Gaia. You know, it's funny how we so-called modern people, you know, we so-called modern people, you know, don't see that shit. We don't see what Mother Nature is, you know. We can't even talk to it because some part of Mother Nature is hiding from us, and they don't want us to see them, you know. Trees can talk, you know. The water can talk, you know. Nature itself can talk. Even our own planet can talk, you know? And you think I'm crazy because you're so, I mean, we're so called modern people. You know, the natives believe more than what we believe in because we're so fucking distracted about everything, you know? We're so distracted about everything in our whole life, you know? All we care about is, you know, materialism. You know, that's all we care about. We don't care about nothing else. Don't you ever wonder why we can't hear nature talk? You know, nature. Because the natives, they believe that everything could talk. All nature could talk. And everything, you know? It's like, but, you know, we live in a fucking world. We just lost it. We lost what we are. You know, we lost what we are, you know? You call me fucking crazy in a modern, the so-called modern world, you know? You think I need meds? Well, you got a legalized drug system. You know, that's all it is, a legalized drug system. You know, you got psychopaths for psychiatrists. It's, you know, you think I need help? You think I fucking need help? You know, if you believe in the natives and their culture, then what's so different about mine? What I believe in, you know, what how I look at things is so similar in so many ways, you know. Yeah, look at the natives, the way they do their old ways. Look at the natives' old ways of doing things, you know, because everything to them talked, and they saw everything, you know. They know more than what we know, and you fucking call me fucking crazy, you know. That's why I say native people should be teaching us. about nature. Natives should, should tell us about why, nature talks to us. Everything should be a garden, not a fucking asphalt road. Everything should be a garden. You know. Yeah, I'm just fucking pissed off right now because I could talk to trees. No. Trees can talk. Have a nice day.